Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use if functions with and functions. So in this sheet I have created a table over here. As you can see, there is full name written over here and the marks with subjects, how much marks they are getting in each subjects. So and there is one criteria over here, if fail below 60 marks. So we are using and function. So what I'll do is I'll just type equal to if, press tab. I'll just type a and d and just again press tab, and I'll write the logical. I'll type this greater than 60, and I'll type again comma, and I'll give the logical to this greater than 60. If all, and then close the bracket, and if the value is true, then I'll write in double quote. I'll write in double quote pass. Then again, if it fails, then in double quote I'll write fail. Press enter. Here it is showing me fail because in maths it is below 60 marks. And if I drag till bottom, here you can see it is showing me pass because here in maths the marks are 77 and in science there are 88 marks. So this is showing me pass. Here you can see there is 81 marks and here 94, then it will be showing me pass. Where one of the subject marks is below 60, then it will be showing me fail. So this is the way how can we use and function in an Excel workbook within if. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.